that one of India's biggest foreign exchange earners, along with information technology, heavy industry and textiles, is the gem and jewellery industry. In the last decade alone, exports have soared dramatically. Today, 11 out of 12 diamonds are cut and polished in India. After attaining world leadership in manufacturing diamonds and some varieties of coloured stones, India is poised to take a prime spot in producing jewellery. Demand for plain and studded jewellery is surging, not just abroad, but in the local market too. India is the largest consumer of gold. A growing demand, met by hundreds of modern factories, with numbers expected to double in the next few years. This booming industry is hungry for trained and skilled professionals, tens of thousands a year.
And that means opportunities for thousands of people. Jewelry entrepreneurs, senior executives, technical experts, systems operators, skilled craftsmen, innovative designers.
Come, open the door to this opportunity. The Indian Institute of Gems and Jewellery, the only full-fledged institute of its kind in India. A non-profit institute set up by the Gem and Jewellery Export Promotion Council of India and supported by the industry and the Ministry of Commerce, Government of India. Top-flight faculty from India and from abroad, international experts deputed by the CIM, a project of the German government. Visiting faculty, hand-picked from the best in the world. A center of excellence with a purpose to create the pool of talent that, in the future, will power the whole gem and jewellery industry of India. A world-class facility to train world-class people. The Institute offers a full-time 3-year course that includes 6 months of internship at leading jewellery factories. The objective: to equip the student with basic skills in sketching and rendering innovative designs. Channelizing creativity and design as a response to a given brief. Supporting it with research and analysis. Studying the various design possibilities and manufacturing methods. Training the student in design for varied international markets as well as the domestic market. Creating digital design elements in 2- and 3-dimensional models with CAD softwares. Using the methodology of CAM to transform virtual computer-aided designs into actual physical models. Basic courses on the theoretical and practical study of gemstones and diamonds, with a stress on the latest developments in instrumentation and identification techniques to distinguish natural gemstones and diamonds from treated and synthetic varieties. Hands-on experience from alloying metal to the finished product. Basic manufacturing skills like preparing sheet and wire, bench working, sewing, filing, assembling, soldering and finishing. Model making, casting, filing, setting, polishing. The latest technology, the most comprehensive information, the best facilities, help in job placements for unimaginable career opportunities, with handsome pay scales and international openings, a chance to raise standards throughout the industry, throughout the world. All this is yours. A choice you can make today. A choice that'll open unexpected doors. The Indian Institute of Gems and Jewellery. A doorway to excellence.